Welcome back everybody, this is Eddie with Joe's Gaming and Electronics. Today we'll be replacing a charger port on a pair of QC35 headphones. If you need any parts or tools, they'll be linked down below so you can find them on our website and purchase them so you can get these repairs done at home by yourself. So we'll be working on the right side, flip it over, take your ear pad off. It's held in by clips all around. So you can see there. So I like to grab it from the bottom. There's a little rim, pry up and out, and just slide it out. There's the rim I was talking about. Place that to the side. Next, we'll be taking this mesh out. It's held in by two pieces of tape here and here. So carefully get under it and pry up on the tape. We can always replace this tape later. Place that to the side. Next, I'll be using a 1.5mm Phillips head screwdriver to take out these three screws. Next, flip the unit over. The cover should pop off. If it does not, I use a plastic pry tool, but in this case we did not have to. Next, here's your charger port. It's held in by this ribbon, and this ribbon unclips. What I like to do, I like to heat up this tape to make the prying a little bit easier. So grab your heat gun, set it to your preferred temperature. I usually use 150 to 200. We don't keep it on the spot for too long so we don't damage any surrounding components. All it takes is a little bit of heat on that area. Put it down, grab a flathead and just pry up. And there you go. Kind of pull that up. Next, we'll have to take this clip out. This ribbon just slides in, so you can unscrew it using the same screwdriver. There's a Phillips head, one here and one right there. Remove those. Now, kind of pry up on your charger port carefully. And that ribbon, just hold it down and it slides right out. Place that to the side. Grab your replacement charger port. First, put the smaller ribbon in just by sliding it in carefully. It should slide right in. Kind of push down on that. Grab the two smaller Phillips screws with the pointy end, the shorter ones, and just screw the charger port back in. So align the charger port in with the bottom. It's gotta just use your screwdriver, pry it in there lightly. Just make sure it aligns with its notch, as you can see there. Next, we can screw it in. Now we just put this clip back into place, aligning it carefully. You'll hear a little click. Next, if this little rubber popped out, has a little notch here in the bottom, and there is a notch in the board, so you just slide that under the board and it stays in place like so. Now we grab our cover, place it on over, flip it over while holding the cover, and replace the three Phillips head screws that we just took out. Next, grab our mesh, kind of line it up, place it in, line it up with the curvature of that curve, and just press down on the tape. Next, grab the ear pad. I like to find the top center, kind of pry up on it, and put into the top clip. Next, I work around going one clip at a time, clipping it into place. And there you have it. You've just completed a repair on a QC35 charger port. If you like this video, please leave a like. Any questions or concerns on the repair, leave a comment in the comment section down below, and we'll do our best to get to your comment. Remember to subscribe, leave a like if you enjoyed this video. If you need any of these parts or tools, link down below in the video description will be our website where you can find all that. Thanks for watching and have a phenomenal day.